Dear Atmas, I am Atmeshwaran from Atmeshwara Temple, Tiruvattriyur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So this video is Depth of Hinduism, part 16. So what we are going to see in this video is about the shape of the lingam. So there are a lot of sayings or rumors, something like that, are spreading around. Something is positive and something is negative as well. We just want to explain like what is the originality, why this shape is for lingam and all. So just listen to this video, you will get a clear picture. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comment. If you want any other topic to be discussed on this, you can post in the comment. Surely we will put a video for the same. So just let's go to the topic. So there are a lot of queries. If you talk about lingam, there are a lot of queries based on the structure and whether we can keep the lingam in our home. Whether ladies can do abhishekam, do the pujas for the lingam, and all those questions will be there. So let me answer one by one. Why this lingam shape came is, there are some yogis or there are a lot of yogis, siddhas, jnanis and so rishis, so many are there. So if they can predict the future also, so they might have known like they have to live this many period because of the sin and all, but which they don't want. So what they taught is, why can't they move the Atma? They can destroy their body and they can move the Atma to some place where it will be in the earth, it will be in the world itself, praying Lord Shiva. So as per the count, the total number of period, whatever they want to live, whatever they want to do a dhyanam for Shiva, they can do from that particular shape or something like that. So when we think about that, Lord Shiva has given his Atma Swarupa between Vishnu and Brahma. When the fight came between both of them, Brahma and Vishnu, who is bigger? So at that time he has provided the Atma Swarupa, which is a straight line, which looks like a lingam only. So based on that topic, they have prepared a lingam, and if they prepare the lingam and keep it at down, it is not possible, like it will go deep to the earth. So that is not possible. So what they did is, they have prepared the place where it can stay, where it can be placed exactly without moving and all, and without anybody disturbance. So they have destroyed their body and they have moved the Atma to that lingam. So this is and they lived in this earth for whatever years or yugas they wish. A lingam cannot be destroyed as easy as possible, like you all know about that. So this is one thing. And the second thing is, a lot of siddhas will prepare medicines, like medicines. So they were using something to grind and mix all the medicine leaves or trees or something like that. So after that periods, after that death, those things, whatever they used to crush the things, has been moved above to their body where it was kept. So there are so many lingams like that, but I think it was placed somewhere. And coming to the next point, Jiva Samadhis, you can see a lot of Jiva Samadhis. So from this you can understand why Jiva Samadhis are there in Jiva means Atma. So Atma Samadhi, soul. Atma is soul. So sorry for that, I have told Atma, it is soul actually. So why the soul was kept like lingam. So if you see the Jiva Samadhis and all, if you can easily understood like why it was in lingam, so that the soul will come and stay in the lingam itself and it will not be disturbed. Coming to the second point, whether we can keep lingam in the home. Yes, definitely you can keep if there is a separate room for the lingam. Why? Because as I already told, the lingam is nothing but the Atma of a dead person. So you cannot keep a dead person's soul inside your home. And whatever you are discussing and whatever you are talking and whatever funs you have made, it will disturb that Atma, which will get angry and which will at the end of the day it will curse you. Because of that reason only our ancestors or siddhas used to say don't keep lingam at home. If it is in separate place, then it is fine. If it is not in separate place, it is not good to maintain the lingam inside home. Next, coming to the puja part, whether ladies can do puja for lingam. Yes, not only ladies, anybody, including gents, I am telling, anybody can do puja to the lingam, but without touching them. Why without touching them is, usually the souls inside the lingam will do meditation only. So if you touch them, that will be a disturbance for them. But you can do these abhishekams and things and all without touching it. Because water is one of the Panchabhuta, so which will support them to do meditation more. Okay, I think you might have got the clarity by this time, like what about linga, why it is in that shape. So if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment. We are ready to answer. And if you have any topic to discuss with us, just put in comment. We will prepare a video and post it for you. Thanks. Cheers. Bye. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Atmeshwaraya Namaha. Om Atmeshwaraya Namaha.